I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody who subscribed to the channel. Nearly 100 subscribers now. That's awesome. Thank you very much. It's good to know that you guys are enjoying it and finding this content helpful. Okay, I mean, this isn't that hard of a job, so let's get straight to it. Before we start, I just want to apologise for the camera and maybe audio quality. I've obviously used my iPhone at the moment as my main camera's dead. Hopefully be getting a replacement soon. So the first thing I'm going to do is just basically give this a clean, because as you can probably see there's a lot of mould in the gutter here, so I'm just going to give it a bit of a clean down, get all that out before it's on the car. And just to get this mould out, I'm just going to basically use a scouring pad on it, a bit of warm water. Doing it off the car because you can't really use a scouring pad on the car, can you? Don't want to scratch up that nice paint, especially though it's been, you know, nice and new. That does the job nicely. Just going to go along doing that. Over, just put them on. Make sure you put them the right way round. They go with the round side to the top, not the flat side. So just put them on there. Pushes on, clips on, easy peasy. So this is basically just the opposite of what we did to take it off. We're going to start at the front and work our way backwards. Just open your door, line it up down there, get any crap off it. And then when you start, make sure you get the groove lined up properly. And that just comes down like that. Push it down. And push it back round. As you push this down, it's important to make sure that you check it on the door and that the door shuts properly. Otherwise this can stick over the front of the door and you're going to be getting water in your car. You may find that you have trouble getting the back down to sit on this pin. You see, there's a bracket there that's got to go onto. I think I'm going to need to hit that with a hammer or something. So just give that a tap with a rubber mallet and you're good to go. So there you go, that's the gutter back on. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Hopefully you found it useful. Yeah, if so, maybe drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys.